What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to give you an update about my Bybit trading bots, how everything is going. As you can see right here, my equity increased, okay, 538.89 USDT, and P&L currently is 40 bucks or 8.21% up, okay, from my overall running bots. So let's go and have a quick look at my bots. So I've deployed these bots. Which one is this one? Dodge. Um, 24 hours ago, more or less. Okay, the entry price was at let me open. I think it was 0.068, something like that. Okay, right there. So current price is at 0.6831. Okay, the bot performed what, three trades. From those three trades, I made, or the bot made, 161 bucks, and the total P&L is 2.91% or 2.96 bucks. Okay, if you come over here to history, we can see that we are making about 34 cents, 40 cents, or 80 cents. It depends per grade. Okay, so my plan is to let it run for quite some time because I'm not in a rush to make those big bucks. Okay, so yeah, that's that. So this is Dodge. So I'll post this one on TG group. By the way, guys, if you're now on my Signals channel 329, link's gonna be down in the description. Every time I deploy a bot, prior to deploying the bot, I'll go ahead to my channel and post my trade on my channel. So give you enough ahead time to check the chart, check the trade, see if it's worth it for you. And if it does, you can go ahead and copy my trades. Okay, so that one is done. Next one up, we have the XRP. So I've got two XRP bots. Okay, one here and another one over here. Everything is the same apart from the entry price. So this one right here, the entry price is 0.70, and this one right here was 0.78. Why I want to deploy another bot on XRP? Because I want to catch XRP at a lower price, and at the moment that I deployed this bot, the price was hovering around 0.72. So I was like, okay, maybe we'll touch 0.70 before it goes back up again, but it hasn't touched yet. So I'm probably gonna leave it for another 1 or 2 days. If it doesn't go down, okay, I will terminate this bot and deploy a bot on other coin. Okay. Next one up, we have the LTC, right? So the halving for the LTC will come up in, I think it's 10, 12 days, something like that. It's going to be on the 2nd of August, 2023. Okay, and that might be a bullish sign. That might be positive news for LTC, and LTC might pump hard. Okay, but either way, I've got my bot over here up and running. And if you click on details, this bot is 2 days and 10 hours old, okay, nearly 10 hours old, and it has performed what's going on here? It has performed how many trades? 34 trades, okay. So grids per trades, we made 178, not much. Over here we can see that we're making like 4 cents per trades, okay. Remember, guys, my bots are for the long run. I'm not here for the quick buck because I don't have time to spend in front of my screen all the time every day, okay. That's time consuming, so I let it run and do everything by itself, okay. So I just come over here, check once or twice a day, see how bots are performing, check the crypto markets, and move on. Okay, so I don't have time to, analyzing charts all the time, chasing trades all the time. Because when you chase trades, that's when you lose the most because you are chasing the trades instead of letting the trades come to you. Okay. Next one up, we have the dot right here. Okay, so dot, even though this one is nearly 5 days old, I'm only 3.45% because if you open dot price chart right here, my entry price was over here. And like I said to you prior to launch this bot, I was like, okay, dots will come over here and probably will go up and will come down, or will go down and come up. Okay, seems like the scenario is going down, and hopefully it will come back up. So once it comes back up to around 5.5, that's where we are going to make the most of it, okay? Because if you click on details, we can see that we have lots of orders that haven't been fulfilled yet. So the price is just waiting to go back up to make those sales. Okay, so once the price goes back up and makes those sales, that's where we're gonna make the most bucks. Okay, because the neutral bot, the way it works is it buys and sells, buys and sells, buys and sells, so makes profit both ways. But you know, for you to make the most of it, the price has to be around the entry price. So my entry price was around 5.5. Okay, as long as I terminate the bot around this price, 5.5, I will be good. So now I'm just waiting for the bot to come up so I can probably close the bot, or you know, we'll see when the time comes. Okay, but yes, that's dots right there. So 4, nearly 5 days old, right? So 3.7%. You know, this week the market hasn't been moving much. Okay, so don't expect huge gains. Okay, but we got 186 trades. Um, Great profit per overall trades. Okay, 6.76. So he's adding up. Okay, while we're getting that passive income. Okay, so next one up. Which one is it? XRP? Probably XRP. It's taking some time to load up. Next one up, we have the XRP. So this one is being running for 4 days and 22 hours. Okay, so if you click on details, we can see that this thing has so many trades, 661 trades. Okay, so it's constantly trading. So grid profit 16.49 bucks. But because my entry price was at 0.78 and the current mark price is 0.76, okay, we only up 7.49. Okay, as you can see right here, my entry price was 0.78, but because we've made profits along the way, even though we are, you know, 2 cents below the entry price, we are still up due to the past trades. Okay, so as long as the bot keeps on making trades within the range, which is where is it? Price range 0.58 and $1. Okay, we are making those gains. Okay, so over here is where the bot makes those trades. Okay, and we are making around 2 cents per trade. Obviously, it's low because the investment was just 105. Okay, it was actually 70, but added up a little bit more just to decrease the liquidity price. As you can see right now, is 51. Back in the days when I deployed the bot, was around 60. Was very close to the uh, price, the price that it was at the moment. So I was like, let me top it up a little bit so I can decrease the liquidity price. Okay, but now it's 51. The stop loss is at 57, so I am good, right? So next one up and last one. This bot is my super bot. This is my super bot. Okay, this one is the ARB token. It's been running for 17 days, right? So we got 62% gains. Okay, 62% gains, right? So if you can see over here, we can see that the bot has performed 603 trades. Okay, grid profit 33.57 bucks. Okay, and we can see that the bot price range is ranging between 90 cents and 136. So once the bot tops out 136, I will call it off and deploy a new bot on the next key level. Okay, so if you come over here to positions, we can see that I don't have many positions left till I max out. Okay, I only have 18 positions left. So a few days ago, I was around here. The bot was around 131 or something. Okay, so I was like, okay, maybe I'm gonna um, have to cancel this bot. But you know, the price is dipping a little bit, but it's all good because again, as long as we are within the range, we are making those gains. Okay, so my plan for the ARB token is when he max out. So I'm going to show you the chart right now. So when the ARB token max out around here, 136, most likely we will see a pullback. We will see a pullback around 125. If that happens, I will deploy a bot on 125 to the next level, which is 147 or probably 160. So just like this one, but instead of being this one, I will have a bot from here, 125, all the way to 160, and that's how I will plan my strategy. Okay, as it for now, okay, we are on this trade right here. As long as the bot is within this lower band and higher band, okay, we are good. We are getting those trades in. Okay, so this one is my super bot. But yeah, guys, the truth is there is no super bots. Okay, there is no super bots. It all depends how you configure the pot. Okay, so how do you plan the pot? How you give the higher grades, lower grades, leverage, entry price, and all that matters. Okay, there is no super bots. Okay, the super bot is what you make of it. Okay, because you could be like, okay, I'm gonna deploy a bot over here, or I'm gonna deploy a bot over here, and then it goes down. Okay, there's no such thing. You got to make your technical analysis and go from it, okay? Because there is no such thing as, yeah, this is a super bot. Because nowadays you see a lot of people talking about super bots and this and that. There is no super bots. The only thing is, it all depends how you configure the bot, and then you got to be lucky because the price has to go in your favor. Because if it goes the other way, the super bot will not be a super bot, will be a crappy bot because the price went the other way. Okay, so yes, guys, that's the update about my super bot, my Bybit trading bots. Okay, so I'm gonna keep you updated. So whenever, so by the way, let me just show you the completed ones. So I completed BNB at 22% up. Okay, I completed, which one is this one? ETH, 10% up. Completed this one, ETC, that was a poor performance, 2.5% up. This one up. XRP, 81% up. BTC, 69% up. So from here, that was when I decided to change my strategy, because prior to that I had some big losses like 49%, 10%, 14%, 17%, and so on. Okay, I had some big losses, so I had to, and also the market was super volatile due to SEC FUDs attacking all the exchanges, Binance, Matic, Solana, all that crashed. Okay, so all my trading bots got stopped. That's when I decided to take a break from Bybit, and I decided to reevaluate my strategies and apply new strategies. And since then, okay, since this one right here, I've been applying new strategies, and it seems like my strategies are working so far, so good. Okay, so hopefully it will stay that way. Okay, because over here we can see that my strategies, they are doing, I would say, okay, because none of these bots are in the red right now, but things might turn tomorrow. Okay, we don't know, but that's why we gotta plan these bots. That's why I plan these bots long term. I'm not planning for a quick pump and that's it. Because the other day, uh, prior to deploy this Dodge bot, I was up 10%. I could have terminated the bot and call it off, but I decided to let it run because I'm planning to keep this thing as passive as possible. Okay, guys. Again, if you want to join my Signals channel 329, link's going to be down in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.